There are many ways of helping a learner into a language, but not enough people know them. Most people learn their mother language without being able to give any account at all of how it works. They learn to talk as they learn to walk, without any idea of how they do it. People who learn to use a language well do so through talking with others who use it well, through reading good writers, and through watching the effects on others of what they say and how they say it. The world needs more people who can use language well. Language is as necessary to our minds as the air we breathe is to our bodies.
Everybody needs air. We breathe in air from outside our bodies in every breath. When you put your face underwater, you cannot keep it there long. Swimmers can't swim underwater very long. They need air. Good swimmers may swim with their faces in the water. If so, they keep turning their heads to take a breath through their mouths. Swimmers do not take in air through their noses under the water because water would get in through the nose with their ear and go to the lungs. With water in the lungs, a person can't go on living. Swim, be swimming. Lung. See top of the next page. Will swim, swim, swims, swam. Here is a picture of a man's lungs. They are soft like sponges with thousands of little pipes going through them. The pipes keep branching like the branches of a tree so that they can go through every part of each lung. Our lungs are in the upper part of our chest. We have two of them. The air we breathe goes right into every part of the lungs through these branching pipes. They take it to the blood, which is moving all the time through the lungs and round to every part of our bodies. The blood makes a journey around the body and back to the lungs in a very short time. Sponge. Framework built up by one sort of water animal as its home, soaked in water and used by people for washing. Upper. Higher up than the middle, right in, all the way in. Blood. Red liquid in bodies of higher animals. Moving. In motion. Will move, move, moves, moved. What is blood? It is the red liquid which comes out of your finger when you cut it. There are about 13 pints of blood in a person's body. We can give a pint of blood at a time to a blood bank for the use of others who may need it. A healthy body makes up the pint of blood quickly. What does our blood do for us? It takes food to all parts of our bodies and takes waste away from them. All the parts of our bodies are made up of cells. These cells, which are very small, all need food all the time. Cut. Make a cut in. Blood bank. Place where blood is kept as money. Is kept in a bank. Waste. That which is of no more use. Materials not needed. Cell. Smallest living thing, or smallest living part of a living thing. Will cut, cut, cuts, cut. Here are some cells, thousands of times the size they are in the body. Each different sort of cell has its own work to do, different from the work other sorts of cells do. No one had seen cells before the invention of the microscope and its development in the 16th and 17th century. Before then, no one could make pictures of cells because no one could see them. Own. A cell's own work is its work, not that of any other sort of cell. Your own hat is yours, not any other person's hat. Development. Change by which something, living thing, idea, invention, becomes better or more able to do things. All the animals and plants we see about us have developed from earlier living things which were at first made up of only one cell. Will develop, develops, developed. Cells are like little flames. A flame needs food. We get a quick flame for a fire or a cigarette by lighting a match or using a lighter. The flame of the match burns the match and the flame of the lighter burns the liquid in the lighter, if there is air for them to burn it. All fires burn something. What they burn is their fuel. Fuel is food for fire. Cigarette. Thin roll of cut tobacco in paper for smoking. Cigarette lighter. Box with liquid which will burn in it. Tobacco. Dried leaves of the tobacco plant. Burn. Be changed by fire. Match. Small stick of wood or paper which gives flame. Fuel. Material for fire. Fuel may be solid, liquid, or gas. Will burn. Burn, burns, burned, burnt. The blood is like a stream. The cells take what they need, their fuel, out of the bloodstream as plants and fishes take their food out of water. The bloodstream carries food and the oxygen which it has taken up in our lungs to all the cells in the body. Old cells die and give place to new cells in the body as plants and fish and other living things in the world about us die and give place to others. 3 million of your red blood cells die every second and other cells take their place. The red cell population of your body changes completely in about 3 months. Stream, river, oxygen, one of the gases in air. Our lungs take it out of the air we breathe. Fire takes oxygen out of the air as it burns. What makes the blood go on moving around the body in a stream? The heart sends it round. The heart is between the lungs. A person's heart is the size of his shut hand. The heart is a pump. If you put your hand under water like this and keep letting a little water into it and sending it out again, you are pumping the water. The heart pumps blood in a way a little like this. Pump, machine for pushing liquid or air or a gas in or out of something. Will pump, pump, pumps, pumped. The heart has 4 rooms in it with doors between them. The doors are valves. It pumps blood in and out through these doors by changing the sides of the rooms so that the doors open and shut. It can do this because it is made of muscle. The heart keeps a stream of blood going all round the body and back again to itself. The pipes which take blood from the heart are named arteries. The pipes through which it comes back to the heart are named veins. Valve, opening which lets liquid or gas go through one way but not the other way. Muscle, cords of threads which can become longer or shorter to move parts of the body. Will shut, shut, shuts, shut. Will open, open, opens, opened. A solid line represents an artery and a broken line a vein. The first man to discover that the blood goes to all parts of the body, out through the valves of the heart, through one system of pipes and back again through another, was the 17th century Dr. William Harvey. The journey of your blood all around the body is the circulation of the blood, or blood circulation. As you see in the picture opposite, the branches of the arteries are like the branches of a tree, which get smaller and smaller farther they are from the roots. The small branches go to all parts of the body. They go to the ends of your fingers and toes, to all the muscles, those parts by which you move your arms and legs and head and other parts of the body. Doctor: man or woman with training which helps them to make and keep people healthy. Circulation, motion round and round. Picture opposite, picture which is on the opposite page. Everywhere the bloodstream does two things: supplies the cells with food and oxygen and takes away waste. It is as if the blood kept the little fires in the cells burning and took away the ashes. The fuel for the fires in the cells is given us by the food we eat. It cannot burn without oxygen. This gas is as necessary to all living things as it is necessary to the burning of fires made of wood or coal. Burning is the change which takes place when oxygen and fuel unite. Coal, wood, and other fuels, cooking gas for example, burned by taking oxygen from the air. Everywhere, in all places, in all parts, at all points, ash, powder you can see in the place where a wood fire has been burning. Unite, become one new thing, in this sense of unite. Coal. Coal is mined from the earth. Trees living millions of years ago have been slowly changed into the hard black gold in use as fuel. Will unite, unite, unites, united.